What's up guys, today we have another IKEA product. This is the presser. It is an octopus clothes hanger, clothes rack. It's for drying baby clothes. I'm gonna open it up here. Plastic. So it is an official IKEA product made in India, and it only comes in this one color, and for some reason it doesn't open, or what is there a trick to this? The one I saw in store, it just clipped and unclipped. Oh, okay, there's one. And then what? Feels like I'm gonna break. Okay. They just pop out. Feels like it's gonna break, but that one, okay. This will probably loosen over time. So it has two of these pegs made out of plastic with a metal spring on each of the legs, 2x8. So we have 16 of these. And it has this cute, where's the cute face? Hey, I thought it was a smiley face. It's just these two octopus eyes, and it has this hanger here, you can hang it. I thought it could be used like as a child toy thing, but I don't think so. These are grippy, the legs, the tops of the legs, so you can hang something over, like, you know, bibs and muslin cloths and whatnot. And it comes in this one color, kind of like a baby blue, like kind of really light baby blue color. And it has this hook up here, handy enough. And if you don't want to use it, you upside down and clip it all in and put it away for storage. I don't know, I can imagine breaking this in the future. There we have it. The octopus, it's called the presser, the IKEA presser. Zoom in there. So it's the IKEA presser octopus clothes hanger. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.